Welcome aboard. Let's get building with Builder Builder Pro. Once the scope of work is approved, we can request work orders or change orders for the approved line items. From the dashboard, tap your project, here, Lead Sanctuary. In the Project menu, tap Work Order, tap Submit New to start creating a work order. Here are the approved phases and line items. Each phase is marked Approved. The line items currently show Work Order Not Requested. Select the line item you need, then tap Submit New. Fill in all required details. Subject, start and end, dates and times. Optionally, set priority as normal or urgent. Now assign team members. Tap the plus icon, select your team members, and tap Done. You'll see them listed with the phases and line items. Tap Submit. The work order is now requested, and the status changes to Work Order Requested. This line item can't be requested again until it's approved or declined. Members with approval permission receive a notification. Since my role is admin, I've also received it. Let's check it. Here's the request from Hamza. You can view the work order details and even check specific line items. Let's decline this request for now. In the Decline tab, you can see the work order we just declined. Let's request again, but this time approve it. From the notification, tap Approve. The work order now appears in the Approved tab. You can also view work orders on the calendar. Switch to Month View, see the schedule, and tap any work order to see its full details. And that's it.